My name is Carol Rodríguez. I'm a Peruvian scholar. I'm an archaeologist and art historian back in Peru.
My name is Christine Giuntini. I'm the conservator here in the Michael C. Rockefeller Wing, and I work on textiles and fiber materials.
Today we are looking at one of the most well-preserved and marvelous examples of Wari textiles. So this is one panel of a set of 96 that were originally excavated in an archaeological site called Corral Redondo in 1943. They were discovered rolled inside ceramic vessels from the Wari culture.
The panels are made with a foundation of beautifully woven cotton textile. The way the feathers are applied is in long strings. So what they're using is a slip knot that you make around your finger. So you make a circle and you push another loop through it. And then the feather goes into that loop that's in the circle, and when you pull it tightly enough, it snaps down. And all of these feathers are snapped down in exactly the same way.
So the Wari emerged in the highlands of Peru, where the Inca, hundreds of years later, will also emerge. We know a bit less about the Wari because we don't have written records, but the Wari is actually the basis for the later Inca Empire. They established these connections with communities along Peru, the Central Andes. They built roads along a vast territory that we know the Inca will use in the future. Corral Redondo is thought to be a waka. Waka is a term that translates as sacred, or more specifically, a sacred space. One theory says that this set of 96 panels were displayed in the structure they were found in, where ceremonial events would take place.
Okay, now let's raise up. You're going to raise up your left and I'm going to raise my right arm without tipping the thing back too much. Now we can go.
But there's another theory. The other theory says lots of people will carry these panels to different places and they will make this sort of set, they will make this sort of like a theater. Meeting the Wari Lord surrounded by all these blue and yellow feathers, what a spectacular scene it will have been. Birds have always been thought in all these ancient cultures as mediators between the human world and the non-human world. So it is possible that these Wari lords also thought of themselves as such, as mediators maybe between the people, the commoners and the gods. So even though we don't hold on to written records, we have all this rich material culture that in a way tells the story of these people.
Centerline are our heads.
All right.